Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel, the Programmer Tutorials channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. So today we're gonna try more than 10 best ChatGPT Chrome extensions. So I was reading this article on the BBOM website that says 10 best ChatGPT Chrome extensions you need to check out. And we're gonna start with the first one, which called WebChat GPT. So this one gives you access to the latest information. So as it is said here, ChatGPT still lacks essential things, access to the latest information on the internet. Since the ChatGPT's knowledge is limited to 2021 data, this makes the answers out of date for anything that happened after that time. However, one of the best ChatGPT Chrome extensions, WebChat GPT, help overcome this limitation. This extension augments the bot so that it adds relevant web results to whatever you ask it. Upon entering a prompt, the extension lets ChatGPT search the web for relevant links. Okay, so that's it. Go here and click this Get Web ChatGPT. You will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Click here, Add. I already have the extension on my computer, so there is no add button. Click Add Extension to Chrome, and then a prompt will appear here asking you if you are sure, and click Add Extension again, and the extension will be added to your computer, to your browser. Okay, to your browser. So this is for WebChat GPT. And then go here to extensions. You will find WebChat GPT somewhere here. It's in the end here. And click this pin. I have it pinned. Click pin here to pin it here in this list to see it when you need it. Okay, so click it again here like this. And you're gonna open ChatGPT, but this ChatGPT is different. You see it has some stuff going on here. So we're gonna ask it something like something that happened after 2021, like the Syria earthquake. Okay, and I'm gonna wait for it. And here is the answer. Actually, it gave us like some web search results here. You see, 1, 2, 3, and the current dates. And here the instructions: using the provided web search results, write a comprehensive reply to the given query. Make sure to cite results using number URL notation after the reference. If the provided search results refer to multiple subjects with the same name, write separate answer for each subject. So here there is like a small paragraph. A devastating earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8 struck southern Turkey and northern Syria on February 6, 2023, resulting in the deaths of tens of thousands of people and leaving many more injured, missing, or homeless. And here are the references. This is from the third article, this is from the second article, and this is from the first article. We have here 3 articles, you see. This is called London, Reuters, and this is ABC News, and this is New York Times, I think. So that's it for the first extension. The second extension is called ChatGPT for Google. If you have used this AI chatbot, you know that ChatGPT is restricted to a single browser tab. So if you are someone who wants it accessible at all times, you have to keep that tab open. This ChatGPT extension solves that problem and brings the bot to search engines. True to its name, the ChatGPT for Google extension displays ChatGPT response alongside Google search results. All you need to do is to log in to OpenAI using the extension, and you are set. So this is the extension. Go and get ChatGPT for Google, and I already have it in my browser. Do the same steps, add extension here, and click add extension on the prompt that appears here, and the extension will be added. And then go to your extensions here, and this is ChatGPT for Google. pin it here so you will find it, and wait for a little bit. I'm gonna see what we have in this Chrome extension. Please log in and pass Cloudflare check. Okay, we need to log in first. Actually, I'm logged in here, you know, but I don't know what's wrong. So options. I'm gonna click it again. Okay, and here is the chat. You see, you can ask for whatever you want. For example, let's ask something. How to learn coding, and send, and it's gonna give you an answer really fast. Choose the programming language, find resources, practice, practice, and practice. Join a coding community, work on your real-world projects. Okay, so that's a nice, a nice answer, you see. And I think this is the regenerate option. So it's gonna regenerate this, and it's gonna give you 2 answers. And I think this is the stop generating option. So that's it. It is said here that it's like the ChatGPT response will appear alongside with Google search results. So let's go here and search for how to code and see if it's a real. So actually nothing appeared here. Yeah, it's waiting. So this is ChatGPT for Chrome, you see, and the answer is appearing alongside with the Google results, which is cool. So that's it. It's a long answer, but it's like nice. So I liked how this this results appear alongside with Google, so you don't need to go to ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT. So that's nice for this extension. And the third extension is called ChatGPT Writer, write mail and messages with AI. This one brings wording prowess to your browser. ChatGPT Writer is focused on writing emails and messages on all websites. The extension works standalone and just requires logging into OpenAI. Then you need to open the extension by clicking on it. It then asks for an input with context, which is what you want the email message to be about. You can provide context if you are responding to a previous conversation. So let's go and get ChatGPT Writer, and I have it already in my browser. Go and get it, and then go to extensions and pin it, and let's unpin this one and this one because we have a lot of stuff pinned here. So ChatGPT Writer, please reload the website you are on, then use the extension. Okay, let's just reload, for example, let's reload this one. And I'm using this extension. Message context, briefly enter what you want to write. Please paste previous email message to generate a reply, or leave it empty if you are writing a new email or message. So I want to write an email to my program advisor Mark. Let's say he's called Mark. I want to ask him when I can get my bachelor's degree, and what is needed to get it. I have completed 21 credit, not 21, 120 credits already. Let's see. I am Sumi. Okay. So it opens here. Okay, generate response. So, dear Mark, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Sumia and I'm one of your advisees in the bachelor's program. Where is it? I'm writing to inquire about when I can expect to receive my bachelor's degree and what is needed to obtain it. As of now, I have completed 120 credits and I am eager to know what additional requirements I need to fulfill to receive my degree. I would appreciate any information you can provide me on this matter. Thank you for your time and assistance in this matter. I look forward to hearing back from you. And this one and my name. So that's cool. This extension is nice. You can do the same thing in ChatGPT. But you will ask it to write this email. Write the email. Okay. In your case, you could begin your email by saying something like, Dear Mark, my name is, and this stuff. Next, you get to, let's say, write the email for me. And let's see. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to write an email for you. However, I can provide you email first. It used to write emails, but now it's refusing to write emails. Really? So write an email following this instructions. Let's see. Sure. Here is an example. Dear advisor Mark, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Sumia and whatever. Thank you for your time. Best regards. Remember to greet your advisor with the proper salutation at the beginning. Remember to greet. That's nice, actually. So that's done with this one. I need to close it. Where can I do that? Can I escape or whatever? It is just open. I think I need to make Chrome smaller, and we find this close thing here, and let's make it bigger again. So the fourth extension is called Merlin Open AI ChatGPT powered assistance. If you like the ChatGPT for Google extension but want it browser-wide instead of just the search engine, well, here's is an alternative for you. Merlin is OpenAI's ChatGPT powered extension that works across the entire browser. Since the extension relies on OpenAI's GPT AI model, it gives you the same responses across a wide variety of prompts. Merlin is an extension that one can enable by pressing the Control command on Mac plus M keyboard shortcut in the browser. The extension's UI is modern with rounded corners. As for how it works, you enter a query like you would on ChatGPT, and Merlin will give you a reply within seconds. As mentioned above, Merlin works across the entire browser on any web page. So the next time you need a quick reply to a work email or quick HTML code, call this extension for help. Click Get Merlin, and you will get it here. Merlin ChatGPT Assistant for all websites. Then go and pin it. Where is it? So this is our Merlin here, and click it. And we need to sign into Merlin. So I'm gonna continue with Google. It's taking some time actually. So let's go with whatever. My email, and you go with your email and wait for it. So that's nice. We have a dashboard, we have a daily usage, we have like some analytics, So let's here search for something. Let's say how to learn Java. And I think it works here. Let's wait for these extensions to work. This is ChatGPT for Google, and this is Merlin. And they have like different paragraphs and like different answers. This answer is quite short, while the answer of ChatGPT for Google is longer. So no, this answer is not that short. Actually, I can scroll. So learning Java requires a solid understanding of programming concepts, and this one is the settings. This one I think to copied, and this one to submit a feedback. And we can work with Merlin on any web page. Just click Merlin and Merlin dashboard. Disable Merlin icon on this website. Disable Merlin icon on enable. No, why disable? So click Control M and Merlin will appear here on your web page, and you can ask it whatever. Best Chrome Chat GPT. Merlin is casting its okay. Here are some of the best Chrome chatbot extensions, and it gave us some of the like extensions here. So this is Merlin says, and what is this here? I don't know. The Discord, give feedback. Anyway, you can save your prompts. Give your prompt a template, a short name. Let's say AI. What's AI? Extensions. Is this right? Extensions. I don't know. Extensions. Best Chrome prompt full text. Best Chrome ChatGPT extension. And save. YouTube summarizer. Okay, go to dashboard. So here you will have your data. You have the current email, the daily usage, request allowed daily, and I don't know where my saved stuff goes. I'm not sure. Okay, let's forget about that. It says that it has a YouTube summarizer. So let's go to YouTube here. This is a video, how to get started with machine learning, and you can summarize this video by clicking here. And it says this will use 4 queries, and you will end up losing like 4 queries here. We had the 50 available queries, and then I think we will have, it says that it used 4 queries, but it used 2. Learn the basics of machine learning. Python is the industry standard for machine learning, and there's here some stuff. You can copy this stuff, you can regenerate, and wait a minute. So that's it. Learn basic machine learning algorithms, linear regression, and select some stuff. Click to expand, and you're gonna expand, and you're gonna give you like some stuff here. After the basics, learn advanced algorithms such as support vector machines, clear data, selecting data, making accurate models, and like this stuff. And you can click wherever to expand, and you have these bullets. These bullets are, I like the summarized text of this video, right? So that's nice for this extension. Let's go to this place here, and let's okay, where is Merlin? And YouTube summary with a ChatGPT. YouTube summary. So get YouTube summary with ChatGPT. And actually, I didn't want to add this. Let's add it. No, let's cancel, because go to your Chrome and search for, what is it? ChatGPT. No, where is it? Wait a minute. Search for ChatGPT extension and click the first website or the first page, and this one, ChatGPT Chrome extension and YouTube summary. I use this one. I like it actually. Here it is. Click it, and you can send like a question, how to code, and learning how to code can be okay. And there's a lot of stuff here. And this one also has a YouTube summary, transcript and summary. Wait for it, and it's gonna give you all the information. Okay, you're gonna copy this information, okay, and you're gonna go to your ChatGPT and say, summarize this information, and it's gonna give you a summary here. This video provides a guidance on how to get started with machine learning and this stuff. Let's say if we copy the link of this video and say, summarize the video in this link. Okay, so summarize the video. So like this. And let's see. Available that can help summarize a YouTube video such as Mindgraphs Video Summarizer. To use, okay. Actually, I want you to summarize the video and not to show me how to summarize the video. I'm gonna wait. Maybe it's gonna summarize the video in the end. I want you to summarize this video for me. Let's see. There are several tools. It can't summarize, so it's better to copy what we have here, and you're gonna summarize it this way. This video provides guidance on how to get started with machine learning. So that's it for this one. This one, where is it? This one, YouTube summary with ChatGPT. It is the same as mine, you see? Where is the YouTube? The same as mine. So I didn't want to install it. And now let's go. I will skip TweetGPT because I don't have Twitter. I don't have Twitter accounts. So, and this summarize, again, another summarize one. The YouTube summary extension we listed above works well for all manner of videos. However, it is naturally restricted to just videos. The summarize Chrome extension offers the same functionality but for text. Okay, so go and try summarize, and this is how it looks. And it says here, wait a minute, summarize any article using OpenAI's ChatGPT. So let's go here and look for summarize, pin it here, and go to our web page. And I don't know if we have here some stuff. Anyway, if we, for example, if we give context to Merlin, save context as prompt pronounce, we don't have it here, so we just need to go here and waiting. Please log in at ChatGPT OpenAI's first. I'm logged in. It asks for this every time. So space bar to talk. Can we talk? Let's just try. Wait a minute. We should go here and open it again. Summarize. Here are 3K points. ChatGPT. Okay, there are 10 best ChatGPT Chrome extensions. WebChat GPT, and okay, ChatGPT has multiple Chrome extensions available. Actually, it's like summarizing this article a little bit. So that's it for the summarize. I didn't like the font here. The design is not really great, but it's okay. So I noticed here that we have like it is another extension that we will speak about. Summarize. And then ChatGPT PromptGenus. There are a lot of what? From simple articles to full-fledged coding, there is a lot you can do. However, you might be running out of prompts to have fun with the chatbot. ChatGPT PromptGenus fills that void by giving users all the prompts they could wish for and more added features. To get started, click on the extension in Chrome and you will be redirected to a page full of prompts. You can then choose from the many prompts available and sort them using the category drop-down. I don't know. Once you are happy with the generated input, click on the yellow play prompt button and a ChatGPT window will open with the prompt pasted. You can use the PromptGenus extension to try out as many inputs as you like. The devs even have a dedicated subreddit for users to find even more prompts. Okay, so ChatGPT PromptGenus, how to get it? ChatGPT PromptGenus, this one, and let's click it. And what we have here, my first demo prompt: write a set of clear for creating effective prompt using ChatGPT. Your instructions should be aimed at writers of all levels from beginners. Okay, I don't know how to use this actually. New prompts. Hello. I don't know how to write. Okay. Coding. How to code. Okay. Wait. And then another prompt here. Design. How to graphic design. I don't know how to use this actually. Use this prompt. And use this prompt. So use prompts. My first demo prompt. What's wrong here? Next. Previous. I don't know. Use prompt. My first. Use prompts. Actually, I didn't know how to use this thing. I followed the stuff here, but nothing happened. Is the prompt wrong or whatever? Use prompts. My first prompt. Example. Use prompt. Okay, I got it. You write something and just use prompts. Writing prompts can be useful, but I think I should use the prompt I have here. My first prompt demo. How to graphic design. Untitled prompt. I need to save it maybe. Category, I don't know. Programming and technology. No. Oh my god. Share this prompt. Delete this prompt. Use this prompt. I'm just gonna use it and see. I think. Okay. This prompt was written here and then it just disappeared. This one. Design, how to graphic design. Use this prompt. Okay, and send the requests and wait. Graphic design is a highly creative and rewarding field, and I'm gonna give us some stuff actually. And I like how this one, how it's called, the WebChat GPT, how it is giving us like references here. That's cool. Okay. So just stop generating. Actually, this one I didn't just understand how to use it. It's okay. Promptus, converse with ChatGPT. Promptus is ChatGPT Chrome extension that may sound simple but adds neat functionality to the AI chatbot. This handy Chrome extension adds the ability. So this handy Chrome extension adds the ability to receive make input to ChatGPT. Promptus effectively converts the chatbot into a handy voice assistant like Siri. The Promptus extension hovers on the right side of the ChatGPT conversation window and doesn't get in your way. Okay, that's cool. This one here. Okay. Since this is a simple add-on, all it requires is to install and holding the space bar to use it. My experience with ChatGPT was made a little better because of the microphone input. It might be what many people need to interact with chatbot more easily. Just make sure you have a working microphone on your machine or else it won't work. Okay, I have a microphone. And okay, here you will get this. Wait a minute. I need to wait a minute. Fancy ChatGPT. Okay, click on get this and get it from the Chrome Web Store. It's called Promptus. I think I have like some problems with pronunciation. So new chat, and here it says hold spacebar to talk. So I'm gonna hold spacebar and see how to code. I should keep holding it maybe. How to no. Oh my god. Okay, so don't click here, click on the space here, don't click here on the writing area, and click the space bar. And chat open AI wants to use your microphone. Hello? Okay. Hello? How to code. So that's nice. It's just so let's just try it again. Hello ChatGPT. I am writing my essay and I want you to help me with giving me some advice. Advice. Hello ChatGPT, not TPT. Actually, my pronunciation is not good. Let's just try again, like some. I am interested in learning programming. Can you give me some tips? So that's a nice one. And then you're gonna send your prompts, clicking enter. Certainly, learning programming is like this and that like that, and it's just speaking. And I like how it gives the references. Actually, I like this. I needed this. Break down complex problems into smaller parts. Actually, it's just talking, and I'm not patient, so let it talk. Then the last one is Fancy GPT. Last but not least, Fancy GPT makes its way into our list of the best ChatGPT Chrome extension because of its design. Fancy GPT is an extension designed to beautify your ChatGPT conversations by adding different design elements to them. No matter what type of conversation you have, Fancy GPT can export them all. The extension currently supports Neon and Sketch styles and may expand to more in the future. Furthermore, it can also cover SVG path images, highlight segments of ChatGPT responses, and more. To use Fancy GPT, have a full conversation with the bot and then click on the extension. You will be led to another page where you can see your entire conversation in a new UI. Here you can change art style, exclude certain messages, and then finally export the conversation into an image or PDF. While not adding anything else to the mix, this extension is an excellent way to bring the aesthetic I don't know how to pronounce this. Upgrade to your exchanges with ChatGPT. So click on try fancy GPT. And here is the fancy GPT stuff. So I'm gonna look for learning what? Actually, this thing go like very narrow. Learning coding with what? Learning coding. Okay, this is some stuff here. So let's just go here and pin this stuff and click it and wait for it. Make your ChatGPT fancy. So, okay, new chat, creating effective. Okay, so this one, download PDF. Sketch. New chat. Summarize best way to learn coding. And it summarized this. Exclude message. And then what we're gonna do here, we're gonna export this to a PDF where we can export this. Save as PDF. Okay, we have to save as image, save as text file, and save as PDF. So we're gonna save as PDF and see how it works. It may not be that beautiful, but it's okay. It's like, it helps you to save the chat, which you cannot do in ChatGPT. So this is the chat, and it's okay. It's not that great, but we have the light, the dark, the 9. Okay, the 9 one is, don't show this info book each time. Show more. I want to exclude this one. I want to keep just my speech with ChatGPT. Okay? Okay. So let's save as PDF and see. It's okay. Not that great, but just okay. So you're gonna go here and look for it, fancy GPT, and you're gonna open here and see how it looks. So it's nice. It's like selectable. That's a nice one. When you want to save your chat with ChatGPT. So that's it for the fancy one. I didn't like it that much, even though it's nice. But you can see here we have some stuff going on here. If you go here and go to print and then save as PDF, it doesn't save the whole chat. You know, it cuts the chat. You see? That's why fancy is useful, because it saves the whole chat. You know, this is a long chat and needs to be saved, right? All right. So the last one, okay, you see here on my email, I got a request. I don't know. I want you to share with you a Chrome extension called use ChatGPT.ai, which is dominating product hunt share with now. I genuinely think it's wait a minute. It would be an incredible content piece for your YouTube channel, and I'm excited to learn what you think about it. Okay, so I just searched for ChatGPT.ai and I found it, and I added it to Chrome, and I went to the product hand. I see that it is the first product of the week and of the day, so it is like high. So I wanted to try it. So here is the extension. So you just click it and wait for it. It may take some time. It takes a lot of time. You need to open. Okay, I think I need to be somewhere else. For example, here. Okay, please log in. Okay, I'm logged in, but it asks me to log in again and again. So that's cool. Then let's go to, for example, here. And you can ask whatever you like. So say hello. Okay, hello, how may I assist you? There is some stuff here like improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, make shorter, summarize, translate, and some stuff like that. So we just, for example, let's click fix spelling and grammar. Hello, how may I assist? But there is a problem is that it takes the previous text here, reset. Okay, there is here, I will give you a text content, you will correct the spelling, syntax, and whatever. And here, the same language order of the following text. And then the following text here is hello, how may I assist you today? This one here. And I need to use it for my own text. I don't know. For example, if we say make longer, you're gonna take the same text. So I'm gonna go somewhere else and I'm gonna look for some of my university documents. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this. Let's say I want to summarize it. Wait a minute here. So I don't know how to paste this as a message. As what? I think I message as a message, right? So generate as a manager. It's not the same. So I didn't like it actually. For example, in a phone app development, because this is not my text, you see, my text is different. Android development team and iOS development team, and you know, it's not the same. So when you say use ChatGPT, for example, to make shorter, you're gonna take the previous the previous message, and you're gonna make it shorter. It's nice, but I wanted to make my stuff shorter, not its messages. It needs to take my messages and not its messages. You can say make shorter, for example, like this, or we can, for example, take this one here, copy this text. Wait a minute. Reset, no code, no explanation, no prompt, no apologies, no filler, just answer. And I will give you a text and the following text. You just need to copy this and paste it here. And then the following text will be your text. Okay, so just copy this and paste it using Control V and send it. According to Carpenter, okay, management is defined as, and so this way it's gonna summarize your gonna not summarize, it's gonna just correct the mistakes. So that's cool. It's not that great as people say, but it's not that bad. But there is like some extensions that are better. So that's it. It is a chatbot that you can ask how to code. But this stuff that, okay, let me wait for this. So choose a programming language, set up your environment, learn the basics, practice coding. Okay, collaborate and seek feedback. Keep learning. Remember, coding can be challenging at first. So this stuff here is great, but it's hard to use, you know. So here for a new chat, and that's it for this extension. So that's it for all the extension that we use today. It was 11 extensions that uses ChatGPT. I liked the one that gives you references, like the one that you can talk to using your voice, your microphone. I like the one that appears in the Google search, the one that summarizes the stuff in YouTube. So thanks for watching, stay safe. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment them down below and stay safe.